All right, step two, when you're brand new at real estate investing, you want to determine the approach. Okay, there's two very common approaches. One is being an active investor and the other is being a passive investor. Now, if you're actively doing real estate, you're usually doing fix and flips or wholesaling or new construction. You tend to be very involved, hands-on. If it's passive, you're usually dealing with rental properties. Why? Because you fix them once, if you fix them at all, and you rent them and they pay you each month and the activity is very low. If you do short-term rentals like Airbnb and VRBO and other types, things like that, those can also be passive, but be careful, depending on how you set those up, those can be a bit on the active. They can be a hybrid just as well. So it's very important to determine how much hands-on you want to be. Okay? If it's not a lot and you just want to be collecting checks, passive. If you love to be hustling or just have your hands in the cookie jar the whole time, active.